Welcome, everyone, to a captivating exploration of the transformative power of 5G technology, where fast meets faster, and the world gets smaller and smarter. In today's digital age, where scrolling and streaming have become our daily mantras, 5G isn't just another buzzword. It's the future of connectivity that's about to change the game. Before we dive headfirst into the whirlwind of 5G, let's take a step back and appreciate the incredible journey of wireless technology. From the early days when we could barely send a text message without the 123 keypad, to the era of 4G when we could binge-watch cat videos on our smartphones, the evolution has been nothing short of spectacular. Remember those days of T9 texting? Trying to type hello was like solving a Sudoku puzzle while riding a roller coaster.
Fifth generation wonder.
Now, picture this. 5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology, is here to take us on a thrilling ride. It's not just about speed. It's about ultra-low latency, massive device connectivity, and unlocking possibilities we hadn't even dreamt of before. Rumor has it that 5G is so fast, it once downloaded a cat video before the cat even finished chasing its tail.
Benefits and applications.
5G isn't just about faster downloads. It's a technological marvel with benefits that are as diverse as they are impressive. Imagine performing remote surgery with a robot on the other side of the world, or driving a car that communicates with traffic lights to ensure you never get stuck at a red signal again. If 5G can help us avoid traffic, maybe it can also help us avoid those awkward elevator conversations.
Network Symphony.
Behind the scenes, 5G operates like a symphony. It has the radio access network, RAN, the core network, and even a touch of edge computing. Each part plays a crucial role in delivering the seamless experience we've all been waiting for. Think of it like a pizza delivery. The RAN is the pizzeria, the core network is the delivery van, and edge computing is that secret spice blend that makes the pizza irresistible.
Challenges, considerations, and the global race.
But, hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The deployment of 5G comes with its own set of challenges, from upgrading massive infrastructure to ensuring data privacy. Yet, countries all around the world are in a heated race to be the first to offer this lightning-fast technology to their citizens. It's like a global competition for the title of world's fastest Wi-Fi. The trophy? Bragging rights and the ability to binge-watch a whole season of your favorite show during a coffee break. Beyond 5G. As we wrap up this introduction, hold onto your hats because the future of wireless technology is beyond exciting. We're talking about holographic calls where you can virtually be in two places at once, AI-powered networks that predict your needs before you even know them, and quantum communication that's so secure, even secret agents would be jealous. Interested? Imagine you're late for a meeting, but thanks to holographic calls, you're sitting in your office while simultaneously sipping a pina colada on a virtual beach. Don't forget your sunscreen, virtual sunburns are a thing too.
Chapter 1. Evolution of wireless technology.
Wireless technology has come a long way, evolving through various generations, from the early days of mobile communication to the cutting-edge 5G technology we have today.
The wireless revolution. 1G to 5G.
The evolution of wireless technology spans 5 generations, each marked by significant advancements. 1G brought us the first-generation mobile networks, which were primarily for voice calls. It was groundbreaking at the time, but data transfer was almost non-existent. Think back to the days of 1G. If you wanted to send a picture to a friend, you'd have to sketch it and mail it to them.
2G and 3G.
2G introduced digital networks and text messaging, making communication more efficient. 3G added data capabilities, allowing for basic internet browsing and the birth of mobile apps.
Remember the excitement of playing Snake on your old Nokia 3310?
Those were the days when a pixelated Snake was your mobile gaming hero.
4G and mobile revolution.
4G was a game changer. It brought us high-speed internet, video streaming, and the smartphone era. Suddenly, our phones became our go-to devices for everything from socializing to working and even dating.
Ever tried to watch a YouTube video on 3G?
It was like watching a slideshow of your favorite cat videos.
The need for 5G.
While 4G made us feel like we were living in the future, the demand for faster and more reliable connectivity kept growing. This demand was driven by a multitude of factors: data explosion, Internet of Things, low latency needs. Our appetite for data has grown exponentially. From high-definition streaming to massive file downloads, 4G networks struggle to keep up. The rise of IoT devices, from smart thermostats to wearable fitness trackers, meant that our networks needed to support not just millions but billions of connected devices. In some applications, like self-driving cars and remote surgery, even a fraction of a second matters. 4G's latency couldn't meet these demands. So, in a nutshell, Chapter 1 takes us on a nostalgic journey through the evolution of wireless technology, from the days of 1G when making a phone call was a luxury, to the era of 4G where our phones became our Swiss Army knives. It sets the stage for understanding why we needed 5G, a technology that's faster, smarter, and ready to meet the demands of our hyper-connected world.
Chapter 2, Understanding 5G Technology.
5G stands for the fifth generation of wireless technology. It's not just a small upgrade. It's a quantum leap in what we can achieve with wireless communication. Think of it as going from a bicycle to a rocket ship. Both are modes of transportation, but one gets you to the moon faster. One of the defining features of 5G is its incredible speed. It's like upgrading from a tortoise to a cheetah in the world of wireless data transfer.
Remember when downloading a single song took longer than a cross-country road trip?
With 5G, you'll blink, and the entire music library will be on your device.
Key technical features.
Latency is the time it takes for data to travel from one point to another. With 5G, latency is so low that it's almost like instant communication. If you've ever video called a friend and experienced that awkward pause where you both start talking at the same time, 5G eliminates that pause. It's like having a conversation in person. 5G can connect a massive number of devices simultaneously. It's like being the ultimate multitasker at a dinner party with hundreds of guests. Imagine a family of four all streaming different shows on their devices, while your smart fridge orders more snacks for everyone. That's 5G multitasking. 5G operates on two types of frequency bands, sub-6 GHz and wave. Sub-6 GHz offers widespread coverage, while wave provides blazing fast speeds, but over shorter distances. Think of it as your Wi-Fi signal at home, sub-6 GHz, being like a cozy blanket that covers the entire house. One wave is like a high-speed zipline that gets you to your destination in seconds. Buffering? That's a word you can erase from your vocabulary with 5G. Streaming high-definition videos is smoother than a hot knife through butter. With 5G, you can stream a movie, pause it to make popcorn, and then resume watching, all without a single buffer interruption. Gamers, rejoice. 5G brings ultra-low latency, which means you can say goodbye to that frustrating lag that ruins your online battles. Remember blaming lag for all your gaming losses? With 5G, you might need to find a new excuse for losing. With 5G, your office can be anywhere, a beach, a mountaintop, or even your own backyard. You'll never have to worry about a poor connection during video calls. Just imagine telling your boss, "I'm working from the top of Mount Everest today." Thanks to 5G, it's not just a dream. It's a possibility. So, there you have it. Chapter 2 demystifies the world of 5G technology. It's all about speed, low latency, and connecting everything you can imagine. It's like upgrading from dial-up internet to a warp-speed spaceship, and it's taking us to places we've only dreamed of.
Benefits and applications of 5G.
Perhaps the most obvious benefit of 5G is its lightning-fast speed. Downloading large files or streaming high-definition content happens in the blink of an eye. With 5G, you can download an entire library of ebooks before you finish reading the first page of the first book. Talk about a speed reading challenge. 5G's ultra-low latency makes real-time applications like remote surgery, autonomous vehicles, and augmented reality a reality. 5G can handle a staggering number of devices simultaneously. This means you can have a smart home, smart office, and smart car all running seamlessly.
Applications that wow.
Imagine a doctor in New York performing surgery on a patient in Tokyo with the precision of being in the same room, thanks to 5G's low latency. 5G will make our cities smarter. Think of traffic lights that communicate with cars to optimize traffic flow or garbage bins that signal when they're full. 5G will redefine entertainment. Virtual reality concerts, holographic performances, and interactive gaming experiences will become the norm. The Internet of Things, IoT, will explode with 5G. Your fridge will order groceries, your car will reserve parking spots, and your coffee maker will know when to brew a fresh cup. With 5G, classrooms will become global. Students can take virtual field trips to ancient Egypt or collaborate on projects with peers from around the world. So, in Chapter 3, we've unveiled the impressive benefits and jaw-dropping applications of 5G. It's not just about faster downloads. It's about revolutionizing how we live, work, and play.
Chapter 4, 5G Network Architecture. The building blocks of 5G.
The RAN is like the first responder in your 5G journey. It connects your device to the nearest cell tower and manages the radio waves. Imagine the RAN as your personal assistant who's in charge of finding you the best Wi-Fi signal wherever you go. It's like having a loyal Wi-Fi seeking pet. Think of the core network as the brain of the 5G system. It manages all the data, processes requests, and routes information to where it needs to go. Edge computing is like having a mini data center right next to you. It processes data closer to the source, reducing latency for real-time applications.
Network slicing and customization.
Imagine if your network connection could shape-shift to fit different needs. Network slicing does just that. It customizes the network for various applications. Network slicing allows us to tweak and customize our network to match the specific requirements of applications. It's like having a buffet where you can pick and choose what you want from the network menu.
Flexibility and scalability.
5G networks are incredibly flexible and scalable. They can adapt to various needs and expand as demand grows. Remember when expanding a network was like building a never-ending bridge? With 5G, it's more like stacking Lego bricks.
Seamless connectivity.
One of the wonders of 5G is seamless handovers between different cell towers. It's like switching from one Wi-Fi network to another without a hiccup. Your device can now be the ultimate Wi-Fi ninja, effortlessly hopping between networks without you even noticing. So, in Chapter 4, we've unraveled the complexity of 5G network architecture. It's like a well-orchestrated symphony with different parts working together to ensure you stay connected no matter where you are.
Chapter 5, Challenges and Considerations.
One of the foremost challenges is upgrading the existing infrastructure to support 5G. This involves installing new cell towers and laying fiber optic cables. Allocating the right spectrum for 5G is crucial. Different countries use different frequencies, and coordinating the use of these frequencies can be a bit like a diplomatic negotiation.
Privacy and security concerns.
With the increasing number of connected devices, data privacy becomes paramount. Ensuring that personal and sensitive information is protected is a significant challenge. Imagine your smart fridge leaking your food preferences to your neighbors. Suddenly, you're known as the avocado toast enthusiast next door. 5G networks are not immune to security threats. Protecting against cyber attacks and ensuring network security is an ongoing battle. Think of it as a never-ending game of digital whack-a-mole. Just when you think you've patched one vulnerability, another pops up.
Regulatory and environmental considerations.
Regulatory approvals and compliance can slow down the deployment of 5G. Different regions have varying regulations that must be navigated. Building more cell towers and infrastructure can have environmental impacts. Balancing technological advancement with environmental concerns is a challenge. It's as if Mother Nature is sending her complaints via email. Dear humans, please stop paving my beautiful landscapes with cell towers. Sincerely, Earth. Countries around the world are in a race to be the first to offer comprehensive 5G networks. This competitive spirit can lead to faster deployment, but also heightened challenges. It's like a global game of who can build the tallest tower. The winner gets bragging rights and the title of single quote 5G capital of the world. So, Chapter 5 delves into the exciting challenges and considerations of 5G deployment. It's not all smooth sailing, but as we tackle these hurdles, we're inching closer to a hyper-connected future where 5G is the backbone of our digital lives.
Chapter 6, Global 5G Deployment. Global Race to 5G.
5G is not just a national phenomenon. It's a global race. Countries around the world are vying to be at the forefront of 5G adoption. It's like a worldwide competition to see who can host the most extravagant global block party. Each country wants to be known for having the biggest, most spectacular fireworks display. Some countries have been early pioneers in 5G deployment. China, South Korea, and the United States were among the first to embrace 5G technology.
Phases of deployment.
5G deployment occurs in phases. Initially, major cities and urban areas get the first taste of 5G, with a gradual expansion to more rural regions. It's like launching a hot new restaurant in the city. First, it's all the buzz among city dwellers, and then it slowly spreads to the suburbs and beyond.
Collaborations and partnerships.
The deployment of 5G requires extensive collaborations between governments, telecom companies, and tech giants. These partnerships accelerate the development and deployment of 5G networks. Standardization bodies like the Third Generation Partnership Project, 3GPP, play a vital role in ensuring that 5G technologies are consistent and compatible worldwide.
World of possibilities.
The global deployment of 5G will have a profound impact on various industries, from healthcare to transportation and entertainment. Collaborations and partnerships are not just about rolling out 5G, they're also about fostering innovation. With 5G, we're opening the door to technologies we can't even imagine yet. Thank you for tuning into this thrilling exploration of 5G technology. From its fascinating evolution to its incredible potential, we've journeyed through the future of connectivity. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and as always, keep riding the wave of innovation. See you in the next video.